Expressive painting has nothing to do with creating something for decoration. It's for expressing emotion. And every time I pick up a brush, I'm not just asking what I could make that would look great. I'm asking what feels right for me. What do I need to express right now? And that's what guides the first layers, even before I know where my painting is going. When I start a new painting, I never know exactly what it's going to become. These first marks, they're just me trying to find a rhythm and get into the feeling of things. I let the movement, the sound, and the texture guide me. It's not about planning, it's all about letting something underneath the surface come through. Using charcoal just loosens me up. It connects me to the raw physical side of painting, way before thinking about color or composition, or before thinking too much at all. I just respond, and that is where the emotion starts. The most important part of how I move forward is stepping back and just taking everything in. Because when I pause, I can actually see what's happening, what the painting is starting to say. And that gives my intuition a chance to react instead of me trying to control it. That's usually when the next move becomes clear. Doing what feels good is actually just as important as doing what's right. I just love falling in love with that feeling of what I'm doing. And when I'm unsure, I'll just swirl that canvas around and give myself a chance to see it with fresh eyes. From the very beginning of my art journey, charcoal has been a big part of me. The feeling I have when I work with it, combined with that emotion that I can express through it, still excites me, even after more than a decade of painting abstracts. I love how I can use it on any layer, whether it's wet or dry. It reacts in unexpected ways, and that unpredictability is part of what keeps me curious. Another thing I love about expressive abstract painting is that I don't have to plan anything. To me, that is where the real freedom lies. I also love how I have no idea sometimes what I'm expressing and how the painting through the color and line shows me exactly what I'm feeling. That's what truly connects me to my work. For me, abstract painting was all about control in the beginning. And that couldn't be further from the truth because it really turns out to be that it's all about trust. Trusting whatever shows up on the canvas is what's needed to come out. And the more I let go of trying to make something beautiful, the more honest my paintings become. Because each layer is like a conversation between what I know and what I feel. And somewhere in that space, the real painting starts to appear. That's what expressive painting is to me. It's not about creating a perfect image, but creating a space for emotion, movement, and truth. All right, so before I go, I just want you to remember that these early layers are where trust begins. They hold the energy, the emotion, and the honesty that everything else will be built on. All right, guys, I'll see you next week. Bye.